want to show you how cute these are. These are little cat mother of pearl shell beads that basically are carved, and there's a hole in the middle. And I'm going to show you how I wire wrap it. So I expose my wrist first like this, and then I do the loop like this. Then I do twice around, and each time I push it very tightly so it looks like this. Then I move the cat this way, do the same thing. Okay, so I leave a little bit of space, enough for as much as this to twirl, and I pull on it. 2, 3. Now I let go of this. It might not be perfect, and that's okay. I open it up like this, and I pull again like such, and I push down so that it is tight. Then I trim. With this flush side down like this. Move that along. Okay. And then I press down all the way around so that it is tight. See? So then when you see it, it looks like this. I hope you enjoyed that. Stones and Findings is a wholesaler of premium quality chains and findings. I'm going to leave more information below about our company and what you have seen in this video.